Shh. Hey, hey, hey. Say hi to Kyla. Let's get a good picture.
Oh, you know what I'm trying to do? A video and it's too dark.
Let's look at Kyla.
The girls don't want to see the baby.
Let's look at Kyla.
Oh.
You can't get it to her? Oh, there's a little bird. That was
But
good.
the other one's all burnt out.
That was good.
There. Now we see you. Get a little video.
Get a video?
Can you say hi to Hannah and Gwen?
Say hi, Hannah and Gwen.
Oh, look. It's so cute.
Hi.
Yeah, look, Hannah. She can't talk or walk.
Oh, don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Say my name's Mackenzie Teresa.
It's like, I kind of look like an old man, but that's okay.
Oh, Shh.
Maybe we can upload it and send it to your sister Tiffany.
Yeah. She would love that. She'd be really excited to get a video. Look over. Oh, is a puppy bothering you? Rah, rah.
Hello?
Puppy smelling your butt. Does that mean they have a poopy butt?
No. Dog smells everything. Crazy dog.
Are there still kisses? Mama, why are you kissing me? Say hi. Say hi.
Can you make a pretty smile?
Here we are in Michigan. There's like no way right now. Not a chance, huh? You're just searching for some more food, aren't you?
Can you make a pretty smile? I hope it's not too dark. Sometimes it comes out dark.
That's not a pretty smile. That's not a pretty smile.
Say, I think I like a lot better with swaddled.
In the rain. You want to be swaddled? We'll get you a blanket. Let's see that blanket over there. Let's wrap you up. Let's wrap you up, girlfriend. Want to wrap you up? Let's wrap you up.
Make you look like a little pea pod.
Here we go. Do 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 do. Do do do.
It should be cozy.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, you're looking for boob.
She is looking for booby.
Oh, 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 oh.
It's not very tight.
You didn't do a good job with swaddling, Mom.
She just wants to eat.
Did you not get much food from my boob? Because you probably do just sit there.
There she is.
Maybe I should give you a little bit of bottle. See, I'm still not the best breastfeeder.
Those tiny little ears.
Let's do this. Let's do this. So you can be happy for the camera. Here, here, here.
Heather says she looks just like Tiffany. Look at that. That doesn't make her happy for some reason.
Come here. Come here. Want to stand up? You could suck on your finger if you want.
They're little tiny hands.
Oh, oh, let's get up. I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm mad.
Oh, it's already been 4 minutes. Wow.
Has it really?
Yeah. We'll go show Tiffany her room real quick. Here's her little bedroom, Tiff. She's got a piggy and stuffed animals, little rocking chair, changing table, breast pump, It's cute in here. There's a little cribby diaper thing. Doggy. She's got some little shoes. The carpet. Crazy dog. Okay, bye. This video's too long.
Say bye.
It'll take 8 years to upload.
Bye.